Hi guys, here are some of my house plants. Now in the winter, I water my plants a lot less because they don't need as much water, and your chances of keeping your plants alive during the winter are a lot higher if you don't water them as much. Now these guys are ready to be watered. They are bone dry, and that's when I water them. Now, my prayer plant, I have more than one, and I have been struggling. I don't know if this guy's going to make it. He looks super, super dry, and I probably should have watered him more, but you can see he's really there. And other plants, they seem to just be doing good. Most people kill their plants because they overwater them. Now here's a couple plants I'm really trying to keep going, and you have to have good drainage for your plants. So these guys here, I have like pots underneath them so that the water can like drain out, and then I dump that water into other plants. So there you go. There's my watering situation. Remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.